I want to talk to you about the reaction in the stock here. By the way, your price target's 660, about an 8% upside from here. You're a bit more bullish than the consensus. Why is Netflix stock down? I mean, beats kind of across the board, with the exception of that 2024 outlook when it comes to revenue. Is that what's really weighing on the stock, or is it really about disclosing these subscriber numbers and average revenue per user numbers?
Well, I think there's a couple layers to this. The context is the net adds have been very strong, and the buy side has been trying to figure out why it's so strong. So by pulling the subscriber guidance beginning in the first quarter of next year, the inference is that all of this strength is really due to the password sharing, but the ad tier isn't really taking off. That's going to be the cynic's interpretation. So we're going to see password sharing sort of fade, and then there should be a baton that gets passed off to the ad tier. But if that's not going so well, then you just say, well, we're not going to give you sub disclosures. That's the fear. The second layer of this is there was a bull case circulating around on the buy side that Netflix was going to sort of flatline cash content spend at $17.5 billion. And they didn't say that. They said cash content spend is going to continue to grow. It's going to grow a little bit less than revenue, but it's keep going up. So a lot of the bulls that were playing for that, they definitely didn't hear that last night.
So you're saying it's really just about disclosing those subscriber revenue numbers because it just leaves more mystery around the success of their ad business and also the success of password crackdown. So it really is just that.
Yeah, because if the ad,
Okay.
one of those is, yeah. I mean, the password crackdown is viewed as transitory.
Okay.
So we need the baton handout.
It can just be, yeah. It can just be, yeah, Jason. So one of the things of the risk of this company that you're highlighting, by the way, which is having a great year, it's up about 18% year to date, is the inability to raise prices and also competition from other players. So in all fairness, we have heard of some team-ups from some other streaming services. The most notable one, though, is Disney, Fox, and Discovery on a sports-focused team-up. That's not really Netflix's thing. However, I did notice, and tell me if this is a big deal, revenue per user, it missed estimates in every region except for the U.S. So how big of a risk is losing pricing power in these other regions? It seems to be maintaining pricing power in the U.S.
Yeah, I would say that that's not a super big deal, but it's a good observation. And the United States is a unique market in every metric, whether it's pay TV, advertising revenues. We're just sort of the standout relative to the rest of the world. And so I think you'll continue to see a divergence between U.S., Canada trends and what's happening in the rest of the world. It's a very astute observation.
All right, Jason, here's a yes or no. You can just answer yes or no on this. Jake Paul, Mike Tyson, is that going to be a success? Is that going to be the start of something big for Netflix?
Yes.